Today we have with us a very interesting accessories which I'm looking into it right now. It's a mirror for your mirrorless. How does this work? Well, it's very simple. This mirrorless camera, like say the Sony Alpha 7A III or the Panasonic, whatever, they have a flip out screen, but you cannot tilt it, you cannot have it front facing. So when you are vlogging, you don't actually see yourself. So in this scenario like here, where I'm actually looking into the camera and I'm actually shooting at myself, you would not be able to see yourself. Now there are of course several approaches to solving this problem. You can use, like external mirrors, like this one, but you can also use external monitors, right? You can have an HDMI monitor to look into yourself while you're filming. However, this requires additional batteries to carry on with you, and it also makes your rig more heavy and definitely doesn't look like a vlog rig anymore the moment you have a monitoring system mounted on top of your camera, right? So that's where this mirror comes into hand, because it's just a mirror, literally just like $20 mirror. You place it on top of your camera and all of a sudden your camera, it's a vlog camera. So you're able to see what you get in the frame. Now it's not only good for framing, like you see, like now I can see if I'm in the center of the frame, if I need to move the camera up and down or whatever. But it's also more than that, because it's just, again, your main mirror, mirroring your main camera screen, which means you're able to judge the exposure. You're able to see like, oh, I like the light here, or maybe I like the light here a little bit more because, it's more vibrant, whatever. So it's actually useful for literally judging the quality of your image and placing yourself in the best place possible for your shooting. So I have to say I really like the idea here to have a small screen always available. You just attach it to your camera, just like you anyhow have to attach your mic. So I mean, everybody's using a rig. In this case, I'm using an external mic, I'm using a monitor, and I'm using a Ronin SC gimbal. So again, a very cool little accessory which sells for under $20. This company is relatively new. I mean, it's not very known, but they came up with some very interesting accessory, this UURig company, and this is one of them. It's built quite with some quality to it, so you will not have problems about it smashing or whatever. These things get like thrown in the bag, and you know how it works, right? So it's actually a good accessory with decent build quality. And again, it provides this extra bounce, which is really important because, I mean, right now, for example, I'm using my external mic, which makes the shooting way better because of the quality of the audio. So I really recommend this accessory in case you are using a mirrorless camera for vlogging like I'm doing right now. It's a cheap one, it doesn't require extra batteries. You install it in literally seconds, there is no software, there is no connection, there is no cable. So I cannot understate how important it is to have this little mirror for your mirrorless camera. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a like, leave me a comment, and as always, see you in the next one.